Everybody today knows, everybody today feels that the world is really turbulent. If you don't feel that today, you just haven't been paying attention. But I'm sure you have been paying attention, and you know that today's environment is not what it was 10 years ago, or maybe even 5 years ago. The pace of life is accelerating. The world has become foggy. In addition to volatility, we're not certain about what's coming next. Things are very complex and interconnected, and we're not really sure, as much as we could 10 years ago or even 5 years ago, how to read the future. We need to adapt in very fundamental ways. And you don't have much time today to adapt. Adapt to opportunities or adapt to problems. Businesses come and go. We need to be agile and change the businesses we're in over time, over generations. But the family behind these businesses, they can stay around for generations. So the family is the enduring, value-creating organization or entity. This is what lasts if you do it right. And to do it right is challenging. Your job in a family council is generation after generation after generation to help your family adapt. Setting family direction and charting a course and saying, this is where we're going to go and this is what we stand for. And these are the policies. You're a leadership group. And leaders need to set direction, and they need to help whatever group they're leading change in the right direction. You need in your family a strategic leadership and governance group. And given how things are changing, I like to say that change itself is changing. You need to become more attentive and more agile as a family council. And we have a lot to say about that.